Why should your DCF lawyer on your DCF case in Massachusetts be specialized and competent? The reason your attorney or lawyer in Massachusetts, when you're dealing with DCF, should be competent and specialized is because there's many different statutes, regulations, and policies that your lawyer must know at the snap of a finger. You should know certain things, such as how a case begins with a mandated, non-mandated, as well as anonymous, and what the time frames are for them filing the report, and what are the time frames for DCF screening in the report, and what the time frames are for DCF to do an emergency or non-emergency investigation, and what are the outcomes at the end of that investigation, and then what can you do to appeal that if you disagree with the allegation of substantiated concern, which leads to a grievance, or a supported 51A, which can lead to a fee hearing with the DCF fee hearing office, and how to file that. There are U.S. constitutional rights that are so important to help you as a parent or caretaker when you're working with DCF, when you're involved with DCF, when DCF's doing an investigation, when DCF's doing an assessment, when you're involved in an appeal or a grievance. You must know the statutes, the regulations, the policies, so you can help to get to where the client needs to go to give that client that successful result of getting rid of DCF, get DCF out of their lives and their family's life. With the DCF being out of their life and the case closed quickly without losing their children to foster care, put in a foster home with strangers called foster parents. That is completely huge. And to get those results, you must have competency as a lawyer. You must also be specialized with great experience in successfully fighting DCF when need to fight them. Now remember, DCF is not your friend, but they don't have to be your enemy. Find a lawyer that specializes in working with DCF and knows DCF can help you get to where you want to go, where your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations lie. That's the lawyer you need to have. One with competence, one that's specialized and knows DCF like the back of their hand.